Hello, 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 hello. Hi all and welcome. Let me just see, where are we now? Is this on? Yes, we are. Okay. Hello, 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 hello. Hi all and good. Okay. Hi all and welcome to another edition. Live streaming TraderCast. This is going to be a much shorter session than before. I'll just quickly go through a few things that I'm looking at for today. I have a couple of open positions as well. I'm looking to open another one as we speak, and then I'll let you know what I'm looking at. So I'll change the broadcast slightly. It'll be much shorter. It'll be about 15 minutes long, and I will just go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 7 or 8 markets that I'm looking at right now, and just tell you the key trading levels that could be of interest for me. If you need to know more, you can come and join us in the community in TraderCast. If you're looking for the education, you can go to my trading skills, so check that out. Anyway, okay, so first things first. None of these economic data releases, I'm not going to talk about that. I'm not going to talk about breaking news. I'm not going to talk about anything else. So a couple of things that I'm looking at the moment is I'm looking at gold. The key trading level for gold for me is at 1775 down here, which is this low. I would likely be looking for a bounce off that level and potentially projection towards 1840, 1850 almost up here. So that's what I'm looking at the moment with gold. Don't have anything open just yet, but that would be definitely an area of interest. So 1775, this area here. So let me just go and insert the shape. So this is the wrong color. Okay. So that'll definitely be a point of interest for me. 1775 for a possible bounce off there, for the continuation to the upside towards 1800, 1850 there. Otherwise, a loss of that level negates it. Possibly opening the way towards 1740. So anybody who's looking to go long here would likely have the stops at 1740 with the view to take profit at 1850 or thereabout. So that's the setup for gold. I'm going to leave it running there as it is. It's not triggering just yet. It needs to go to that level. Crude oil is another one that I am looking at the moment. 76. So crude oil point of view, this area here, 76.80 is of interest for a long setup there. Basically I'm looking to go long around there with the view to take profit towards 80, which is up here. And if I do get filled here, I would likely put the stop just below towards 75.50 or thereabout. Okay, here we go, these lows, 75.30. So that's the risk. This is the potential reward, and I'm looking
for the German coalition says they are taking rising inflation concerns very seriously.
I think I am coming close to possibly triggering something on cable. That's crude oil. Euro dollar. This looks bearish to me, so possibly an oversold rally into 113, 112.90 or thereabout, where these falling resistance trend line is, for a possible short sell there. So these lows. And then a stop above that would be at 113.50, 113.60, and a couple of take profit levels to the downside towards 111.90, 111.50, so something like that. So that's the entry, and then the stop slightly above that. So entry 112.90, stop loss 113.50, and take profit towards 111.50 to the downside for euro dollar. Currently still nothing open here. It's not triggering just yet. The other thing that I would be looking at is counter trend here on cable. This is also bearish. We are seeing a stronger US dollar. So what I would be looking at here is, this is the multi-month and yearly low, 133.50. We could possibly see a bounce of that as a kind of counter trend towards 134.55, which is up here. This is more speculative. These lows here, break above that 135, and then break above that 135.60. Stop below here, but it needs to get in some sort of reversal. Otherwise, if I see a continuous selling pressure and the loss of these lows, this could open the way for continuation to the downside. So I'm looking at this level with a huge amount of interest, 133.50. 133.50. Here we go. Let me just do that. But it needs to bounce off here, so something like that. It's still not doing anything. It's only a 15-minute time frame. It's not doing anything. Let's see if it's a 5-minute. Could try. Could try to get on that trade. Okay, what I'm doing right now is I'm going to go long there. Here we go. I'll show you where I am at the moment. And I'll put the stop straight away at 133.25, so it's about 20 odd 30 points of risk. Okay, so I'll show you where I am with this. This is highly speculative entry, but I am long cable now, and I'll show you the reason why. So just bear with me a second. Okay, so I'm in this trade right now. It's highly speculative. It's counter trend. My stop is already placed down here, 133.25. So about 24 points of risk at the moment for me. And my take profit is at 134.50. So that would be up here. So let me just do that. 134.50 there. So from the risk to reward ratio point of view, 23 points of risk for possibly 101, 102 points of potential gain. Risk to reward just over 4 to 1 on this. It's highly speculative, as I said. It's counter trend. But this, I feel that this 133.50 is it's a significant multi-year low, and I'm happy to risk 20% on the sorry, 20 points, not 20%, less than 1% on this trade to see if I get an oversold bounce back. I could be completely wrong, and I'll be proven wrong by Mr. Market very quickly if that's the case. So that's where I am with cable at the moment. I'll keep you updated on the progress of this trade. Dollar Japanese yen. So dollar yen is uptrending quite nicely here. It's very strong, but we are reaching some fairly decent levels up here. 115.50, 116 thereabout. And then above that could even go to 117. To the downside, I have 114.50, which is this area here, and then we also have this cluster of the lows here at 114.10. So yesterday I was looking to buy the pullback to 114.50 for the extension and the rally higher. So I was looking for this to happen, breakout, corrective pullback there, like that, and then extension to the upside, which is what we got here. So breakout, retest, and a move higher. Now from the trading levels point of view, it wouldn't be unusual to see a little bit of profit taking up here. So pullbacks to 114.50 would also be another buying opportunity for the bulls for dollar yen. Happy with that kind of scenario again. So that would look like this. So pullback to 114.50 and then a rally from there. So I have the order at the moment to go long at 114.50 with dollar yen. Nothing open just yet. So this is the shorter term, 4 hourly, and then also a 15 minute. So nothing opened here just yet. I'm happy with my cable trades. I'm going to stop this very soon now, so let me just show you where I am.
The Belgium November business sentiment rising to 4.2 from 4.
So I would normally have things open with indices, but today we had plenty of US data. I'll be opening those trades from now, but this is where I am with my cable. So it's currently showing a small little profit, nothing exciting, but I think it's a good area. One spot 33.50, good area for me. Current stop down here, 133.25, about 23 points of risk for the potential extension towards 134.50. So that gives me 102 points of potential gain. So over 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with you tomorrow. This is short and sweet. It's the first time I'm just changing the way I'm doing this. I'm pretty sure I'll be better tomorrow and this will flow much better. Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye for now. Happy trading.